fuck with a shawty, I fuck with a twin, yeah, they be my road dog. I talked to my homie, he said you go.
My body on this. I'm tryna get up my body on this. I'm tryna get up my body on this. I'm tryna get up. Yeah, I see cold, baby. I see, yeah. With some pros, baby, I'm in it, yeah.
What you doing there? I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I got a lot of stuff to update y'all with. What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Trell back with another video. And look, y'all, I know I have not posted, y'all, but y'all gotta understand. Your boy been working. Your boy has been working, y'all, man. I can't even lie. As you can see, you clicked on the video for a reason. Yes, I got a new apartment, y'all. I told y'all it was coming. I still got my other apartment. I got to next week to move out, so I had to go ahead and drop, you know, my deposit and everything on this apartment, y'all. And y'all gonna love it, man. So yeah, update. Y'all see I got the braces on now. Yeah, and I can talk to y'all. I'm talking normal. I couldn't talk normal for like a week, so every time I was trying to do the video, I couldn't. And everything's been going on. Everything been going on, y'all. Your boy just been doing certain things, doing this, doing that, going here, running here, spending money, spending thousands of dollars, bro. Yes, I said it, thousands of dollars, bro. I'm gonna let y'all family, so I'm gonna let y'all know, man. Before we get into the video, make sure you hit the like button. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join the Trellful. I messed up. I told you the braces getting me. Make sure to smash the subscribe button to join the Trellful family, y'all. But yeah, y'all, ain't gonna lie, man. I haven't been uploading up videos because I've been in my mind. I've been busy. I told you I've been busy like a motherfucker. So therefore, I'm coming back and I'm still busy a little bit. But I was like, let me go ahead and give y'all the apartment tour. And it's an empty apartment tour. Ain't nothing in here yet. So this is gonna be another video when I have everything furnished. I'm gonna show y'all that. So make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for that. Stay tuned for that. Trell family, y'all better stay tuned. The people that haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button. For sure. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Like I was saying, y'all, we'll go ahead and head right now to the apartment. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Make sure I don't show y'all my my number to my room, but open the door. Open the door. Come on, open the door. And no, I do not have a cameraman. I'm so sorry, y'all. But I know y'all want to see so bad. I had to call off work today because of this. I know y'all want to see so bad. I got you. Yes, sir. Here we go, y'all. So, y'all can see. This is the kitchen, y'all. Boom. Boom. How that shit look? Y'all can hear my echo in here. Boom. Boom. Let me go ahead and lie. I want nobody come in here. Boom, y'all. This is the kitchen, bro. How y'all think about this? Drop in the comment section what y'all thinking about the kitchen. You feel me? What y'all think? You know what I'm saying? Oh, make sure. Hold on. Make sure y'all. Never mind, I thought my apartment was showing, but my apartment not showing. Anyway, you know, got the stove over here. Nice little stove, y'all. Nice little stove. Got a microwave. You know what I'm saying? Got a couple cabinets. Yeah. Right here, got the fridge. They got everything clean. You know what I'm saying? Everything clean, man. Make sure everything right. Put the water, the juice. You know. And we got the pantry. We got the pantry, motherfucker. Why, you feel me? And then we got the, what is it? Oh yeah, we put like some coats or some shit that I normally wear. Put my shoes in here that I normally wear, like my little, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, y'all, I think what I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna get a lot of stuff right now. Right now, y'all, the apartment is completely empty right now, and your boy's gonna get a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the furniture store today too, to look at certain things. Y'all can come with me. So this video is gonna be a whole long video, y'all. And I told y'all, I'm not just showing y'all this. Y'all can come to me to the furniture store, just look at some furniture, look at some couches. But most likely, I'm gonna get a lot of stuff off Amazon anyway, period. But y'all can come with me just for the simple fact, why not? Look, it's my off day. I called my supervisor, I said, hey man, I need an off day because she got the apartment and I had to go to Houston earlier, y'all. I had to go to Houston. It's Valentine's today, bro. Give my mom a Valentine's present. I don't have no Valentine's. But I had to make sure my mom was straight, get her some cash out the bank, then go to her bank to deposit because they don't have a federal where I'm at right now. So yeah, I had to do that. But anyway, enough of the yapping. So we're gonna come over here. This is a wash. Yeah, this is a wash machine and dryer. Yes, it comes with that. Actually, I never even opened it up. Make sure you ain't have nothing in there. Yeah. So that's that. And we're gonna go into the living room space, y'all. Living room space, man. So y'all see how big the living room is, yo. Like, I never knew that the living room was gonna be this big. And y'all know off my last videos when I took the apartment tour, they didn't tour me this one. They toured me a smaller version. And bro, if y'all don't know, I got a 75-inch TV and the I'm automatically going right there, but I need a hard couch and I'm gonna have art. And like I told y'all, I'm gonna start streaming and stuff like that. So I'm gonna have my streaming set up over here and stuff like that. It's a lot of things that we're gonna do with this apartment, and I got a good vision. But it takes a lot of money, y'all. But it takes a lot of money to do anything. But hope y'all really enjoy everything. Y'all can see what I was talking about, like the environment, bro. Like, bro, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I am so thankful, y'all. I'm gonna be real, bro. I've been going through so much. Nobody know me. I've been off the net. I've been doing stuff, trying to take care of business. Man stuff, you know, because I am a man. Yeah, whatever. But I've been taking care of a lot of business, y'all. I've been going through a lot of ups and downs. And I haven't been on tube because I feel like I don't want to do videos for y'all and I'm not in the mood to do it. And I don't want to bring that, rub that, you know, energy off on y'all. Because that's real. Energy can rub off on y'all through the videos if y'all don't know. Same with music and everything else. You feel me? But yeah, your boy been working, So yeah, man, this is what I've been working on, trying to get an apartment, nice apartment, all other stuff, working, get my money right, be able to supply for my family while doing everything that I'm doing now. Yeah, we're gonna continue the little video. I'm gonna subscribe. Man, I didn't even see this, y'all. That is nice, though. You feel me? But anyway, let me start glazing the apartment. We're gonna go ahead and go into the restroom. And the restroom, I ain't gonna lie, y'all, it's not big. But guess what? It don't matter. And the way I'm gonna do this, apartment is gonna be nice. Not apartment, bathroom is gonna be nice. So, got the. I'm gonna go ahead and close this. This is the door to my room. But anyway, we go to the kitchen, y'all. So y'all can see. Not the kitchen. Bro, I'm tripping. Not the kitchen. The bathroom. This is the bathroom, y'all. And yeah, I ain't gonna lie. The tub is very small, though. I would say because my last tub was way bigger. And I'm not skinny. Dude, I'm not very skinny. So, it is that's the downside about it because the tub is small. But we do have a shower. But yeah, that's very down. How everything else gonna be big, but the bathtub not big. But it's good though. That's the little stuff. Then we got the mirror. Make sure the mirror is clean, and I want a GoPro. And I'm getting a camera soon. Oh yeah, that too, y'all. I'm getting a camera soon too. I just really flashed the room. Anyway, y'all, this is the room. So I can see. The room, bro, I'm not gonna even lie to y'all. The room is big. The room it's a lot of room in here. It's way more room in here than my last room, my last apartment room. So the bedroom is very big, man. But one thing I will say, the downside that I do not like about it is the corner, the little corner. You see that? It's like but it's okay, y'all. It's okay because what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my bed over there. I'm not gonna show y'all everything, but I'm gonna put my bed over here, then put my TV and put all types of art everywhere. So stay tuned for that, man. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you stay tuned. Now we got the closet. Here go the closet, y'all. This closet, I mean, it's a decent size, man. It's a walk-in closet. It's a decent size, bro. It's not gonna be I got a lot of clothes, but it's fine, y'all. It's very much fine, and I'm not tripping. So yeah, so really, that's really it. No, I got one more thing. Y'all probably been watching the video and been wanting to having technical difficulties with my camera cut off. But yeah, I know y'all been probably watching the video and be like, bro, we want to see the balcony. I got y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the balcony, man. I'm gonna make sure y'all see the balcony, bro. You feel me? Make sure y'all see the balcony. All right, y'all. Hold on. Got to do the walk. Y'all ready? I don't think y'all ready. Close the door right there. Yes, sir. This is the balcony, y'all. I'm gonna get right in the corner, y'all. This how big my, you know what I'm saying? It is. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. It's nice, bro. I'm not gonna show y'all too much, but hey, it's nice, man. I promise it's nice, man. As y'all can see, man. Yeah, bro. That's really it, bro. That's the tour of the apartment, man, for now. Next time y'all really see it, if I'm starting a video out here, or simple fact, I'm doing my streams and stuff, because I told y'all I'm starting to do my streams soon. Or when I get everything in here, furnished and everything, and I order everything. Like, it's time to order. It's time to order stuff. Yeah, I know y'all like Trell, bro. You just say you've been spending hella money. I ain't rich, but I ain't broke. So I gotta invest in what I need, and then once I buy everything that I need and invest in my apartment and everything, then I can chill out, not spend no money, and start back on my saving, not spending, you know, cutting down on stuff. But I gotta spend the money. I gotta spend enough to get everything that I need, so I can make the comfort of this my home. Cause right now I just don't feel like my home. I feel like an empty apartment, which it is. But your boy gotta make this his home. So therefore, your boy gotta get right. So yeah, I'm trying to see if I wanna bring y'all with me to the furniture store or not. Should I? Put in the comment section if y'all think I'm about to bring y'all with me. So yeah, it is next day, man. And I did go to the furniture store yesterday. I know I said I was gonna take y'all with me, but I didn't take y'all with me. But I did find a couch after looking at 5 different furniture stores. I found a very comfortable couch that's supposed to be coming in today. And yeah, I've been trying to bring in my stools from my other apartment, cause I told y'all I'm gonna try to like low-key start bringing stuff in every day. I got another stool, and yeah, I think I'm gonna order some more stools just for, you know, the look. Put like a stool right here. But yeah. But anyway, y'all, if y'all enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure y'all leave a comment on what y'all think about the apartment. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't joined the Trellful family, man. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here, because today I'm gonna do a little things for a couple hours, then I'm gonna sleep, cause I gotta go to work later, y'all. So yeah, and stay tuned. And I'm getting a new car soon too, probably like a month or 2. So yeah, it's your boy Trell. See y'all next video, man. Hope y'all really enjoyed this video. All right, yeah.